55. Back with the siren. It's been a while. I'm doing it a little bit early in case the siren goes off early. So, it's Friday, June 28th. It's gonna go off in a few minutes. There's a bird sitting on the top of it. I don't know if the camera's picking that up. Zooming in, see? The siren horn used to be pointing right at me before it went off last week. Now this horn did not turn that much for last week's test. It only stopped right there. It used to be pointing right at me. If I did stand here like before it went off last week, it would have been pointing right at me. Must have rotated a little faster than usual last Friday. I don't know. Not sure. Few people at Taco Bell. The semi-truck's here, but there's nobody in the semi-truck when I checked. It's about a partly, mostly cloudy sky. It is supposed to storm tomorrow. Could thunderstorm tonight, maybe. I don't know. It's like maybe a 80-90% chance of rain tonight. So I don't know if it will rain or not. Guy taking out the trash at Taco Bell over there. Apple Orchard Golf Course is over there. It's right next to the siren. Person's pulling up to Arby's now. Or is it not? Oh, wait. Is it? I thought it was going to go through the drive-thru. No. It was just backing up into that parking spot. That's what it's doing. Yep. The T128 sirens that way, somewhere where I'm pointing the cam. There's a T1 ASC T128 siren over that way. I'll definitely be hearing that go off. It goes off for 1 or 3 minutes. This one does 1 minute. Could do 3 minutes if it gets lucky, but I doubt it. About a minute and a half, it'll be 11 o'clock, which is that's when it should go off. Just got about 90 seconds or so. I just heard something from the siren of the truck. I don't know what that was. No, it was from my car, my bad. I heard it again. Yep. It's getting close. 10:59. Did you hear that? I think it came from Arby's. I thought it came from the semi-truck that's right next to the siren. Oh my God. Almost 11. Less than about 30 seconds. And now less. Can I hear the other one? I can hear the T-128. I can hear it going off in the distance. This one did 1 minute, which I knew it was going to, so. I can still hear the other one. It's coming from over there somewhere. It's coming from the southwest. Zoom in a little bit. See if the microphone can pick up that sound, cause it's like 7 minutes away from the one that just went off. I barely heard it. The ASC. That sound went off like 25 seconds early. That's nuts. Hear that? There's a good sound of it. The ASC T-128. Must be going off for 3 minutes because I still hear it. It's almost 11:03, so it should wind down any second. 11:03, so it should turn off in a second, I think. I feel like I'm still hearing it. I think one time it went off for 3.5 minutes one day. Don't remember when it did that. I think it turned off now. Peace out.